Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2020 Ford Transit 250 cargo van with a 101A package. The exterior color is Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 10-speed automatic select shift transmission. At the front we have halogen high and low beam headlights as well as daytime running lights. We also have an engine block heater connection. Over at the side, we have our 16-inch wheels wrapped in Continental tires, and we also have black mirror caps and door handles. We also have our side sliding door. At the rear, we have our spare fifth wheel located underneath, as well as the backup camera, and our dual rear doors. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks and power windows. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as our mirror controls. And we have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control settings and entertainment controls to the left. Over at the right, we have our information trackpad and hands-free controls. Up above, we have our rear view mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. And as we look down at our interior, we have our beautiful black seating that comes with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our Sync 3 4-inch touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, and the driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our sync controls, as well as we have our climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats. We have a console gear shift lever with select shift option for the driver, as well as dual cup holders. At the rear, we have loads of cargo space with our overhead dome lighting, as well as several tie-down points. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Ford Transit, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.